Alright fellas, it's pretty early right now. It's about 9 a.m. right now. We just got finished with the gym. I'm here with my boy Tien. We're up early because today we're gonna go to Dim Sum. Dim Sum, if you guys don't know, they only serve it until 3 o'clock. That's usually how it goes for the good dim sum. And where are we going today?
Seafood.
What's it?
Sifu Cove, number 2.
Yep, Sifu Cove number 2. I don't know why this place is so poppin'. We had to park all the way down there and we're walking to the place, but there's no parking here. Either this place is really poppin' or the parking is very inefficient. So we here. Where's the dim sum at? Ooh, right here. Dim sum. That cardio. Let them know. Cardio after the gym sesh. So this place is 2 stories, guys. You gotta walk up the stairs to get to the dim sum. So we just got seated. It is indeed very poppin' here, which I don't know why. It's a Tuesday morning, people should be at work. But yeah, let's do it. So basically how dim sum works is like, there's a little cart right here and these ladies come through in these carts with steamed food, and then they stamp this card and we just pick out what we want. We're just waiting for them to come through.
There's different sections too.
Yeah, there's different sections for like different prices, because like
A is the cheapest.
yeah, getting A is the cheapest and E is like the most expensive. But yeah, we're about to order some dishes and share, right? That's how we do it. So this is my favorite cart right here, guys. The sumai and the hakao. Let's get it.
Can't forget about that chili feet.
Yeah. Hey, it's here. Stamped our thing. Alright guys, my favorite dish is here. The sumai. Actually one of them. One of 2 of my favorite dishes. It's also Tien's favorite. Sumai, which is like pork. No, they have pork and shrimp, but I think this one's the shrimp, right?
Yeah, it's shrimp.
I think this one is the shrimp version. So let's take a bite. Fresh and steamed. The reason why they come into the cart is because they're like steamed in the cart, so they keep them fresh. So yeah, really hot, delicious. I like, I'm Asian, so I like a lot of sodium. Let's put some soy sauce in there. Let's dip in the soy sauce. Get nice and salty. Wow. This place is really fire. Thanks for taking me, Tim.
Anytime, dude.
This guy knows all the best Vietnamese and Chinese dim sum spots over here. Yeah. So my expertise when it comes to dim sum, there's some places that are like salty and sweet when it comes to like their dim sum. I would say like Chinese style dim sum is like more sweet, but there's like a Vietnamese style one, so it's going Westminster, and it's more salty, which is pretty good too. Pretty far. Oh, yeah. Let's try the xiaolong pao, the soup dumplings right here. So basically there's like soup in here, and like, damn, I messed it up. Apparently you're supposed to bite it and like soup comes out.
Is it hot? Is it hot?
Pretty hot.
Is it good?
It's pretty good, but I'm not gonna lie. There could be more soup in there. This one's pretty dry. I don't expect this place to have good xiaolong pao, because I think that's like a Chinese dish. Like I said, it's like a Vietnamese one. Still good though, you know. Alright, now we're waiting for the other cart to come. This cart is usually always like out of service because this dish is really popular. It's the banh uk, which is basically like the rice cake roll with shrimp. It's 10:42. Should be like prime time. Like I said, they end at like 3 because it's supposed to be like a breakfast brunch thing, right?
Yeah, I think 2.
Oh, 2? 2 or 1? Okay, this one ended a little bit early. It's basically the Chinese and Vietnamese brunch. Just waiting for our Chinese mimosas. That's the thing about dim sum, you gotta practice patience. You know what place has good xiaolong pao? Din Tai Fung. Yeah, I gotta take it Din Tai Fung. Yeah, that's where all the Asians go for xiaolong pao. Din Tai Fung is far. So we also got the hakao on deck. It's basically like a sumai, but a seafood version. Steaming hot. Look at this.
Wow, that's fire.
Steaming hot, literally fire. I also really like hakao, but I think I like sumai better. It's the meat version, it's like a pork shrimp version. The hakao is just purely just like rice cake and shrimp. You wanna try it together? Oh, the banh uk is coming. The banh uk is behind us, you see them? They're right behind us. Long awaited. Say hi.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, it is here finally. the dish to complete all the dim sum. So basically, this is like a rice cake dish wrapped in, well, it's like shrimp wrapped in rice cake right here. And then they lather it with some sweet soy sauce. Keep in mind, this isn't real soy sauce, or else it'll be like really salty. There's like a special kind. It's like watered down soy sauce. It's like a little bit sweeter. Because if it was real soy sauce, you'd probably have like hypertension from all that sodium. Cheers. Cheers right here. Cheers. It's really good.
Kind of cold.
Cold? Yeah. It just came out the cart though. Still good though. The rice cake is really chewy. The shrimp in there is really fresh. You hate to have a non-fresh shrimp in there, but this place is pretty good. The shrimp is really fresh. Right? Would you say so?
Yeah.
Let's try the hakao now. The shrimp rice cake. Dip it in a little bit of soy sauce. So Tian's actually from Hawaii. Let him know what this means.
This is like high.
So this means hi and welcome. So if you see that from him, just know. That's what it means. Yeah, this hakao is pretty fire too. It's actually piping hot. There's more shrimp in this one. So like the banuk, there's like more rice cake than shrimp. And then the hakao is like, just like a big shrimp wrapped in rice cake. I still say this and simai is like my favorite dish though. It's really good. Can't get enough of this. Hakao is pretty good. All the shrimp here is really fresh. That's the key.
Yeah.
And the rice cake is really like chewy too, hardy. It's not stale. I think this is their best dish. Although everything is pretty good, the simai is where it's at, guys. You definitely gotta get the simai when you come here. Damn, so the bun bao part is here. It's pretty tempting. I don't know if we should get it or not. Do you want that one or the white one? Do you want that one? So yeah, they do that sometimes. They basically like market their cart when they come to us, and they basically like shove everything in our face in hopes that we'll buy them. But they got us though. We got the bun bao right here, the steamed pork bun. And so it has like barbecue pork in here. Let's see. Pretty good. Good. No? Yeah. Boss. Come on, come. Yeah. Oh, she said hi to the camera. She said that we're gonna get a lot of views. Yeah. She said the dim sum is gonna get us a lot of views, so you guys better share this. Damn. So we got two more dishes. Got another simai and another banuk. Alright, I think this is it for us. I'm pretty full. Tin is a beast though. He's going in.
All in.
Round two right here.
You get two.
Round two. I gotta help Tin out. Piping hot.
Oh shit, it's hot.
Yeah, you see the steam? I don't know if you guys see the steam on camera, but there's steam. Here. Lettuce. Yummy.
Pretty cool.
Pretty fun. No. Alright. Championship rounds are here. The simai is so good.
All you butter. You don't want it? Shit, I'm cool.
You gotta do it. You gotta do it for the fans.
All for you, bro.
Yeah.
But you eating that?
What? Oh my! I'm eating this. Look at this. But he said I have to finish this. He ordered that. All right, I'll help you out though.
Alright.
I know I shouldn't have ordered this. Now I have to take it to go. Alright, I guess this is the end of our mukbang. Because we're really full.
Need water.
But yeah, this place is pretty decent. Sifu Cove, number 2. Not number 1. Number 2. I wonder if number 1 is better. Cause it's like number 1, this is like number 2, you know what I mean?
Number 1's like more OG. It's not
Okay.
like...
Oh, man. Yeah. This one's pretty good though. So yeah, like this video. Comment some more dim sum spots for us if you guys know some. And subscribe for more food vlogs. Deuces. Raja. Did I say it right? Raja? Raja. He taught me a new term. Raja. I don't know. I don't know how much this is because I can't read Chinese, but this is how many things we ordered right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on B and 1 on A.
I think it's gonna be like 40.
40? He's guessing 40, I'm guessing like 32. We'll see, we'll see.
We could have eaten more, but...
Yeah, Tim was right. It was 43 for 9 dishes, right? 9? 9. So, no?
It was 9, it was 9.
It was 9? 8 on B and 1 on A.